Whenever I come across a hard problem like this, I like to read the problem a few times. Paul has just enough money to buy either 5 erasers and 30 pencils or 10 erasers and 24 pencils. Each eraser costs 30 cents. How much does each pencil cost? So we have to take the information that we do know to find out what we don't know. I know that 5 erasers and 30 pencils is the same value as 10 erasers and 24 pencils. How do I know that? Because it says he has just enough money to buy either of those things. So that means the value would be the same. So 5E, E stands for eraser, plus 30P stands for pencil, would be the same as 10E plus 24P. So this is what we would call an equation. Okay, I do know that erasers cost 30 cents. I just circled it up there. Since I know an eraser costs 30 cents, I can figure out what this value is right here. So 5 times 30 cents, you could do it the long way like this, times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15. There are 2 decimals, so I'd bring that over 1, 2. So the 5 erasers here is equivalent to $1.50. Okay, I'm going to erase some of my work so that we can move on and do the other work. Now, if I know that $1.50, this 5E right here is the equivalent to $1.50, I'm actually going to rewrite my expression with that $1.50 in it. So I am going to rewrite the expression, so it's $1.50 plus 30p equals 10e plus 24p. Now we have to figure out what this 10e, 10 times 30 cents is the same as plus 30p equals 10 times 30 cents is $3. $3 plus 24 pencils. Now, we want to get all of the money on one side and all of the pencils on the other side. If I have an equation and we were going to look at this like it was a scale and both sides had to be equal. If I took away 24 pencils from this side, how many would I have to take away from this side? You got it, 24. So now I'm left with 6 pencils. So we know that $1.50, and I'm going to move on to a new screen. We know that $1.50 plus 6 pencils is the same as $3. And if we had our scale, it would still look like that. Now, I want to get the pencils on one side. I want to get the pencils on one side and the money on the other. Since I have pencils and money, I still have to get rid of this money right here. So, to get rid of $1.50, I have to subtract $1.50. And then I have to do the same on this side to keep it equal. So now it should look like this. 6p equals $1.50. How do I find out how much each pencil is worth? Simple. I have to take the $1.50 that I have and divide that evenly into 6 pieces. So I'm going to go to a new screen. I take the $1.50, I divide it into 6 equal pieces. 6 does not fit into 1, 6 fits into 15 two times. 2, I'm going to do this, 2 times 6, and I put my answer there, equals 12. My next step is I subtract. 15 minus 12 will give me my answer, which will go there, which is 3. I then carry down the 0. 6 goes into 30 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. We are done. So each pencil costs 25 cents, or $0.25. And that is how you solve this problem.